Oh, Bill.
Yeah.
All right, I got two people in the waiting room. Both one's on a Galaxy phone and the other's on a Galaxy notebook. I'm assuming you don't know which is which.
No.
We're looking, you're, all right, well, let me find out. I wish people would plug their names in. This is so difficult. Is this Mr. Myers, Bill?
Looks like it.
Okay.
Very small picture.
Waiting for an audio connection here. I'm going to let the other one in. It may be the other party. Okay. Yes, it appears so. As soon as I have an audio connection with everyone, we will go on the record. Mr. Myers, can you hear me?
I do hear you.
Okay, good. And we're waiting for Ms., I'm assuming that's Ms. Myers.
She's on there. She has. I'm helping her out right now.
Oh, okay. All right, she's connected too.
Okay.
All right, I want to unmute hers. Or try. Okay. All right, Shannon, would you put us on the record, please?
Sure will. Go ahead, Jeff.
Okay, this is the matter of Myers versus Myers. And go ahead, Mr. Rapley, state your appearance.
William Rapley appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Robert Myers.
All right, and I have a proposed judgment of divorce in front of me. Let me put Mr. Myers under oath and we'll take the proofs. Sir, would you raise your right hand, please? You do swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your full name for the record.
Robert Myers.
Lane.
Go ahead,
Robert
Mr.
Edward Myers
Rapley.
III.
Mr. Rapley?
Yes. Mr. Myers, do you remember signing Mr. Myers, do you remember signing the complaint for divorce some time ago?
Yes.
In that document, you allege that you are a resident of the state of Michigan for a period in excess of 180 days. Was that true?
Yes.
You were a resident of the county of Jackson for at least 10 days prior to filing. Is that true?
Yes.
You allege that there were 2 children born or adopted to this marriage. Is that correct?
Correct.
And that's the extent of how many children you and your wife have had is 2?
That's correct.
You allege that there had been a breakdown in the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony had been destroyed, and that there remains no reasonable likelihood the marriage can be preserved. Is that a true statement today?
Not at this day, no.
To your knowledge, is your wife currently pregnant?
No.
The 2 of you entered into a settlement agreement, is that correct?
That's correct.
And that was done prior to you even filing your complaint?
Correct.
And there was some modification to that agreement after the last court hearing, is that correct?
That's correct.
And you've signed that document?
That's correct.
And you've also signed the proposed judgment of divorce, is that correct?
That's correct.
If the court sees fit and grants you the divorce, do you want the court to grant you that divorce?
That is correct.
Nothing further on.
Sorry.
So, Ms. Myers, let me ask you, can you confirm that you are not pregnant?
Yes. I'm not pregnant.
Okay. Thank you. And you also have signed this consent judgment of divorce?
Yes.
And you believe the terms to be fair and equitable?
Yes.
You also believe that the provisions as they relate to your minor children are in their best interests?
Yes.
Very well. Based upon the proofs, I'm satisfied there's been a breakdown in the marriage to the extent the objects of matrimony have been destroyed. There remains no reasonable likelihood that the marriage can be preserved. I will sign your judgment of divorce and you will be divorced. It's apparent to me that the two of you have learned to get along despite being married. By the fact that you're both at the same location right now as you do this. I hope you can continue to get along for your children's sake. They will benefit. Don't let them divide and conquer you. They will do that. I don't know how old they are, but even if they're little, they learn that. They learn it very quickly. And if the two of you can cooperate and be on the same page, don't let them pit the two of you against each other, because it will be to their great disadvantage. So I wish you both well. I am signing this, and we'll make sure it gets back to Mr. Rapley so that he can get you each a true copy. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck to both of you.
Thank you.
That concludes our hearing.